Welcome to our review of the Etekcity Bathroom Scale for body weight. This scale boasts consistent accuracy thanks to 10 years of professional experience and high-precision sensors. With over 5 million satisfied customers, it's clear that Etekcity prioritizes accuracy and reliability. The scale features an easy-to-read display, which turns on and off automatically. Additionally, it has low battery and overload indications, ensuring you're always informed. Users can switch between pounds and kilograms for added convenience. The Etekcity Bathroom Scale isn't just functional, it's designed to fit seamlessly into any room. Whether you place it in your bathroom, bedroom, or living room, its minimal design will complement your decor. The sleek look ensures it doesn't disrupt the aesthetic of your space. Beyond its appearance, the scale is built to last. It features a 6mm tempered glass platform, providing exceptional durability and comfort. The supportive frame and anti-skid paddings enhance stability, preventing any accidental slips. In conclusion, the Etekcity Bathroom Scale for body weight offers a blend of precision, convenience, and style. Its high-precision sensors deliver accurate measurements, while the user-friendly display and minimal design make it a practical addition to any home. The durable construction ensures it will remain a reliable tool for years to come. Whether you're monitoring your weight for health or fitness reasons, this scale is a dependable choice.